Hello and welcome to today's video of the Steam Cooking Show. Yeah, alright, we're not actually cooking. Can barely cook in the first place. So we'll be making a batch of Keith Appleton'S famous steam engine lubrication oil. Now, I'm not making this video because Keith's a mate of mine. I'm making this because I genuinely use this oil and I really like it. So I thought, let's try and make some on camera. It'll probably go wrong, but never mind. So I'm making 500 millilitres of this lubricant. So first I need 125 millilitres of rapeseed oil, then some 3-in-1 oil. And then I need to drop the 3-in-1 oil because I'm an idiot. And just like the rapeseed oil, you need 125 millilitres of this stuff. So just pour it straight in, like that. Surprisingly, I didn't spill any after this. I thought I would, I'm a clumsy idiot. And here we have our mix of rapeseed oil and 3-in-1 oil. The next ingredient in our recipe is steam cylinder oil. So you want 50% of this, so yeah, just fill it up until the mix is complete, I guess. I'm making 500 millilitres of this stuff, so 250 millilitres of rapeseed oil and 3-in-1 and 250 millilitres of steam cylinder oil. That's about right, I think. Now just give it a good old stir with anything you're choosing, really. I used a little paintbrush because it's the only thing I had handy. Keep mixing the oil till you got quite a nice gold colour. Now, once it's all mixed together, you need a suitable receptacle or oil can. In my case, it's a £10 one from Amazon. Now you can just get your mixture and pour it into your oil can or bottle or whatever you wish to hold it in. And now you've got the oil in your chosen oil can, you can now use it on your favourite steam engine, or your least favourite, up to you really. I'm using it on my Stuart model steam engine, which is one of my favourites I must say. And now you can run your engine as it is well lubricated. Job done! Well, in my case not quite, because the crap oil can broke, so I'm now putting it into a very suitable, totally not ex-methylated spirit bottle for storage. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this useful.